Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I have here a set of sockets. These are impact sockets from VEVOR, and I've actually reviewed a lot of products of VEVOR and had really good results. Lots of tools. Says tough tools, half price. And that's no joke. I've never had a problem with any of their tools. They're really good quality. This here, it's actually pretty heavy here. Let me get it out of the box. So it comes in a nice case for sure. With actually, wow. So those are actually metal buckles right there to latch it. With that much weight, you'd want some pretty good buckles. It's a nice carrying handle here. So there is actually latches on the side too, not just on the end. They want to make sure it stays closed. So it is 3/8 sockets, 6-side sockets. We also got some for the square nuts. They're all 3/8. Looks like on the standard here, we are 1/4 inch up to 3/4 inch. And then on the metric deep wells, we are 6 millimeter up to 19 millimeter. And then our standard short sockets are 1/4 inch, 3/4, 6 millimeter to 19 millimeter for the metrics. And then of course we have the swivel sockets up here, which is cool. And I've actually never had any of these, so this is kind of a new thing to me. But that'll be pretty cool to get into tight places. Pretty good arc right there. Look like good quality. And then of course the swivel sockets, the standard goes from 3/8 to 3/4. And then the metric goes from 6 millimeter to 19 millimeter, which ought to be real handy. We're going to try this out on a motorcycle over here, see how they work, and maybe try it out on the car. Okay guys, when I removed the phone from up here, I wasn't paying attention, but it also does come with the adapters for a torque wrench like this. It comes with a short extension, a long extension, that's 15 inch, a 3 inch, and then there's a 10 inch, there's a 6 inch, all for 3/8. Also comes with this wobble. 3/8 of course, and just in case you wanted to use, say, a deep well on a wobble, then you can use a deep well right there on the wobble like so. So pretty cool if you want to use deep well or anything else, because it also comes with a lot of torque bits here, a T20 all the way to a T55, which is really handy. I didn't even notice that because that foam was in there. So that's what I actually need to use and use on the car would be this right here. This will be perfect. So now all I gotta do is set it up like that. I got my 19 millimeter on there with the adapter from 1/2 to 3/8, and it should work good for the lug nuts on the HRV or using it on the motorcycle, because this one has a lot more power than the small one. I use this most of the time, but when I don't have enough power, I can use this one here. And I do have an adapter. There is also a list here showing everything that's in it. Okay, on my motorcycle here, the Honda Trail 125, this is actually a 19 millimeter. So we're gonna try using small impact. See how that works. No problemo. That worked good. You shouldn't actually use standard sockets when you're using an impact, even with this size. It's a lot better to use actually impact rated sockets like these here. And you can see that one there. So they're built a lot stronger and made to use on impact. Okay, so I got my Suzuki digital torque wrench here. Got it set on 40-foot pound, but I need to torque this back. You could use a regular one, but this one comes in pretty handy. There's a link to this below in the description also. We'll set this on 40. Well, there we go. So now we got it torqued back to where it's supposed to be. So that's cool. I mean, I can use one socket for everything. I can use these sockets for the torque wrench or the impact, either way. And I do like that these are 6-sided. I don't really care for 12-sided. They're handy in some situations, but a lot of situations, the 6-sided is better. You get better bite, less chance of it actually rounding the nut off. So 6-sided works pretty good, and all these are 6-sided. Yeah, these are going to come in handy on the motorcycles and on the car. Okay, so now out here on the Honda HRV, These are 19 millimeter lug nuts. I have the 19 millimeter with the 1/2 inch to 3/8 inch adapter. So plugged on the impact. Perfect. Now I actually take these things and take a torque wrench and torque them. Unless I had a torque extension, I could actually use that, but perfect. So I still can actually use it. Works good. I'm glad it did come with that adapter and makes it nice and easy. They also do have that locking hole. So if you put that where the ball is, it will actually lock on there. That's nice because it won't come off. And when you push your button, of course, it comes off. But put it over here, like normal, you wouldn't need the locking hole. It just push the button and go on, but it just comes right off. But if you want it to lock, it does have that hole, which is cool. Locks it on there. All right, guys, so there you go. That is the 3/8 impact socket set from VEVOR. And as I said, comes with everything you need. It even comes with the ones for the squares that go from E5 up to E16. So this is actually a really good complete setup. But there you guys go. That's the 3/8 impact set from VEVOR. Very, very cool. Definitely love the way this case latches. And them sockets fit in there tight too, so they're not actually going to fall out. That's one good thing. A lot of them, the sockets, you know how it is when you open it up, especially if you open it up wrong, everything falls out. These all snap in. I mean, that is hard to get that out. That thing is snapped in there. They're not going nowhere. Same way with these up here, so they'll stay in place. And we don't have to worry about any of that falling out. It actually snaps in real tight. Same way with these. So nothing's going to go anywhere. But super cool. There you guys go. This is going to be a real handy set, as I said, for working on the motorcycles, cars, Jeeps, whatever. Made by VEVOR. As I said, tough tools, half the price. I will post a link in the description where you can check these out. Thank you all for watching Woodzman Adventures. Click that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, click that bell icon. You'll be notified when I put out a new video, and we'll catch you all in the next one. Right on.